the Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to answer the question, which one is better, InboxDollars or Jungle Paradise Freebies? Now this video came to be because a couple months ago, somebody actually left this question on one of my videos. And of course I was thinking to myself, yo, this would be a good video. So here it is. First of all, what is InboxDollars and Jungle Paradise Freebie? Both of these sites are based around getting rewarded for trying out different offers. Now with InboxDollars, you sign up absolutely free, get a little $5 bonus and everything, and you actually try different offers out and you actually get paid. They will send you, money via PayPal, and you can earn some nice little extra income. Now with Jungle Paradise Freebies, you sign up and you try a different offer. Now, how Jungle Paradise Freebie works is you have to earn, do enough offers to earn 1 credit. Once you earn 1 credit, that will allow you to actually promote Jungle Paradise Freebies, and you can earn, I believe, either $40 or $50 commissions for every referral that you get. All right, 40 or 50 bucks. I think it's 50 bucks. All right. So every person that you get to join and they actually earn their credit, you will get 50 bucks. And there's been a lot of people who make like a lot of money from Jungle Paradise Freebies. So the question is, damn it, which one is better? My personal opinion, it really depends on the person, right? Here's the thing. If you just want quick money, super easy, to earn because you're just doing offers and taking surveys and stuff like that, then you want to go with InboxDollars, right? You want quick money, super easy, and you got a little bit of time on your hand if you want to take surveys and things like that, then you probably want to go with InboxDollars. But if you're more of an affiliate marketer and you rather have like those $50 commissions, and you really don't got the time and everything, you don't want to take any surveys, you really don't want to do a lot of company offers and things like that, you definitely want to go with Jungle Paradise Freebies. But keep in mind, it'll be you got to put a little more effort in to make money with Jungle Paradise Freebies than you do with InboxDollars. But you can earn, in my opinion, a lot more money with Jungle Paradise Freebies. So I will recommend to those who have a little bit more of a marketing background, or you're into affiliate marketing and you don't mind promoting a program, right? Then Jungle Paradise Freebies will probably be your best bet. But like I said, InboxDollars is just super easy. You just do these offers, keep track of the offers that you do, right? If you're trying like a 30-day trial, you might get paid 50 bucks to sign up for a 30-day trial, right? You just got to take some notes, make sure you cancel that subscription unless you like the service and you want to keep it. But other than that, the key with InboxDollars is keep track of all of the offers that you do. And then, when it comes up, you get that money. You know what I'm saying? You get paid for trying this, paid for trying that. And you can get paid for referring people to InboxDollar as well, but you don't get paid as much as you do for referring people to Jungle Paradise Freebies. And I would say that in the long term, Jungle Paradise Freebies, you can make more money and you can keep on promoting the program. Because I've been promoting it for a couple years now, right? So I still get signups. People were, referrals from Jungle Paradise Freebies. So it really depends on you. Both of them are cool little programs. Now I did do a video on InboxDollars. I'll put it in the description, but I made a video talking about how you can make a lot more money just by using InboxDollars. All right. But overall, that's my take. If it was really up to me, if I had to only choose one program, I probably will lean over to the Jungle Paradise Freebies. But you can make money with either one if you put in a little effort and set some time to work it. You can definitely make money with either one of the programs. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out. I want you to comment below and let me know which one are you doing, InboxDollars or Jungle Paradise Freebies? Holla at your boy. Peace.